Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be making our own sort of game or toy. We're calling it a ball and cup game.
With no cups involved.
Fair. It's going to be fun.
Go ahead.
Before we get to our project today, or we see what's in our kits, thank you again to everyone who keeps sending in pictures and videos of what they're making. If you want to share what you've made from this kit or another kit or just something you've made on your own, please share it with us. Use the QR code here, and we would love to show it in our next video.
You revealed our little toy back there. You might as well show everybody.
So this is what we're going to be making today, and we'll walk you through how to do it. You can play this by yourself, or you can play this as a two-person game.
Mm-hmm. Ready? I'm a pro at this. Oh, that would have been great if I got it, man. Oh, you're good at this. All right. How do we make this thing? In your kit. That's my job.
Yeah. And you're doing great at it. In your kit.
I haven't messed up once yet. In your kit, you will have 1, 2, 3, 4 clothespins. We'll have 3 normal popsicle sticks. These are multicolored. And then you'll have 2 of the tiniest popsicle sticks you've ever seen. They're cute.
Tiniest little popsicles.
Yeah.
What would they look like?
I know. We got 2 sticker pads. We've got a piece of string that is exactly 12 inches long. We've got 2 caps for your cups. And a wooden ball.
The other things that you're going to want for this project are a pair of scissors, maybe, and then we are going to use a hot glue gun today. If you use hot glue, it'll go a little bit quicker. You can use regular Elmer's glue, but you're going to have to wait for it to dry in each step. So either way it'll work. It's just how quickly you want to get it done.
Yeah, 1 month or 10 minutes.
So we're going to glue our clothespins together like this, one on top of the other. They should still be able to open up and everything, but you're going to have 2 sets of those.
So our next step, after we've connected our 2 clothespins together, so we've got 2 sides, I've got orange and yellow, we'll take 1 popsicle stick. What we'll want to do is glue it so that it's sticking off of one side each, and that there is a space in between the 2 so that we can get in there to tie a string. So these are not touching, but they're sitting on the popsicle stick.
Okay, so now you can see we have clothespin, clothespin. There's a little space in between before the other 2, and then underneath is that popsicle stick that we glued on. Now also underneath, you can see that your clothespins should stick out a little bit on each end. We're going to use the small little baby popsicle sticks now, and we're going to glue them on this way, so up and down. And that's going to provide a little bit of stability for the whole game when we go to play it.
All right. Next step. Where are we? Next step. You got 2 more popsicle sticks. Stick those so that with glue, so that they are starting at the center, the end of one of the clothespins, and they stick out towards the opposite end and overhang. So like this side here is the same length as the orange clothespins, but this green popsicle stick sticking off to the end. Okay? And you're going to do that to both of the remaining popsicle sticks.
So it should look like this at this point. You can see those top popsicle sticks we just put on. They're hanging over the end here, sticking out.
Take the string, take the wooden ball, and we need to thread the string thread through the hole on the ball. And this could be a little challenging because it's fuzzy, this string, and gets stuck. Don't do that.
Yeah, it's not flavored string or anything like that, so don't.
And it comes off on your tongue. Did you get it?
Yeah.
Oh, all right. Well, good for you.
So I'm gonna knot mine a few times, and then I might just put a little dot of hot glue on the knot, just so it doesn't come undone at any point.
Once you tie that ball onto that string, go ahead and tie the string around the middle portion of that popsicle stick in between both clothespins. Okay.
And you should have a good amount of extra string. You're going to want to shorten it up. As you can see on this one, the cups are only sitting like an inch or two up on the clothespin, so you might want to like eyeball it at this point. You only need you can have a little extra, but you don't need your string to be the full length and have it way out here. Probably make your game a little bit harder.
More challenging.
More challenging. All right, and then our last step, get those caps wherever you were keeping them. And we're gonna use those stickers?
Double-sided stickers.
Go ahead and stick them to the bottom of your cap.
Done.
Peel the white paper off. That's the hardest part of the whole thing.
Got it.
All right, and now your two bottle caps or cups, we're going to place them on the top of the game. And I would say to just line them up with the edge of the clothespins. So where the clothespin ends and that popsicle stick is hanging over, that spot right where the clothespin ends, stick your cup right on there. You just want to try to get them the same distance away from the middle, but you can eyeball it. It's going to work fine.
Got it.
Just make sure.
I just got a
Did you get it?
rebound.
Just
Move
make
back
sure
in.
that the ball reaches both the cups. For some reason, it doesn't adjust that string, but, well, as you can see, you're ready to play. Whoa.
If you get this again, I'm gonna-
Before you?
Yeah.
Got it.
Stop it.
Second try.
I'm not
Whoa.
playing with you.
Got it. Second try. Oh, I thought that was going in.
Okay, well, we'll be here all day, so you guys have fun.
Do you want me to train you? I can coach you.